everyone. So let's understand what control blocks in Scratch do. First, let's see what wait 1 second does. You might have understood what is the working of this block by the name. So let's see how it does execute. Here, I have placed a go to XY00 block to reposition the sprite in the middle. We have two tasks, move 10 steps and go to a random position. When I execute this code, we cannot see two different tasks executing as it is really done very fast. So now let's try with the 1 second block in between. Now we can see the cat moving 10 steps, then waiting and then going to a random position. Okay, moving to the repeat block. Imagine this scenario. You have to perform a particular task many times. Then what would you do? Attach the required block 10 times? Let me tell you, that is a big no. You can use the repeat block and specify how many times you want the code to run. Like this. Now let's add a wait block inside. Now the execution takes place like this. Go to random position, then wait for 1 second. Then the same thing will be repeated for the second time, and it goes on for 10 times. Let's say you want something to keep on executing without the limit. So what do? We use a forever block like this. Okay, amazing. Moving on to the if then block. There may be times when you would want to execute a particular portion of code only when a certain condition occurs. Then we use a if then block. Here in the hexagon, you attach your condition. Let's use the condition touching mouse pointer, and we will start sound when sprite touching the mouse pointer. Now when I click the block, it executes straight away, and that time my mouse pointer is not on the cat, so we cannot hear the sound. Therefore, I will add a forever block and place all this code in it. Now it will keep on checking if the sprite touches the mouse pointer, and when it does, the sound is played. Now let's use the if then else block. For this, we will check if the sprite is touching the mouse pointer. If it is, then we will add a think block, else we will start a sound. So here, if the condition given is not satisfied, then the code in the else part will not be executed. The wait until block will wait till the specified position occurs and then execute the code below. Here, we will wait until the sprite touches the mouse pointer. And then if it does, say hello. Great. The repeat until block repeats the code in it until the condition is fulfilled. For example, we will keep on turning 15 degrees until touching the mouse pointer. Now, when I bring the mouse pointer on the sprite, it stops executing. Finally, the stop all block will stop everything that is running on the screen. Here, let's make the sprite go to a random position forever and stop if the mouse pointer touches the sprite. Okay, cool. The other control events are related to clones, which we don't need to study right now. We will look into them in the future videos. Keep learning. See you all.